Do you know how to use Valvoline Penetrating Oil? Why it's important, how to do it, what to look for? My name is Dayan, and I have the answers. Valvoline Penetrating Oil is a powerful release agent designed to free rusted nuts and bolts. Low surface tension and graphite solid particulates give Valvoline Penetrating Oil a superior ability to penetrate rust and corrosion and release seized parts. Shake the can well before use, then spray parts to be treated, avoiding excessive lubrication. Due to its low surface tension, penetrating oil easily dissolves rust on seized parts. After a few minutes, rusted nuts and bolts are easily removed. Valvoline Penetrating Oil quickly and safely removes rusted parts with no broken studs or threads and no time wasted drilling or machining out broken studs.